Good morning. Right, I've just plugged big beefer in. So I'm going to switch it on in a sec. Yeah, we didn't go away last week, did we? We had a weekend off. Right, so let's just switch the electric on. You know summit? Wrong one. It's that one. That's it. Move, dogs. Yeah. Oh. That's it. Microwaves come on. So that's it. Right. Fridge is on. That's it now. Right, so what we'll do is we're waking Big Beefer up. Yeah, you know, it's ever so awkward at one hand, isn't it? Oh, it's lovely. You know, you can't beat it, can you? Hey, I love it. I love waking up, letting the sun in. And the sun. Yeah, I'll keep that one shut, I think. The back one. Well, will we just open it? Oh, I meant. Yeah, one hand is not good. Is it? Terrible with one hand. Right, go on, we'll open it all. Let some sun in. Oh, look. Home sweet home. Oh, beautiful. And then, right, let's get these off. Yeah. Undo. I'll tuck them all back in a minute. And well, oh yeah. You ready for some light? Look at there. Oh God. That's it. Job done. Look. Morning. Right, we'll see you in a bit. We're on the way to the dashes. Yeah. I tell you what, it's been that hot today, right? We went town and what? It just comes super duper hot. Thought I was abroad. I was that hot. Literally awesome. So we're gonna have a great weekend. Can't wait. It says what time now? 7:15. Get there, pitch up, get the fire on the go, get a black cherry whiskey. Red Stag. Sorted. Right, we'll see you later. Look at that sunset. Beautiful. There's Sammy. You know, we just pulled up, right? Dogs straight out. Straight out. Wood out. Cages out. Awnings out. And now we're going to put it up. You know we'll be up in 10 minutes. Even the Barbie's out for a fire. You know what I mean? We'll be up in 10 minutes buzzing. Tell you what, beautiful. It's so hot today. Tell you, the dogs have been mithering for camping. They can't wait. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Told you. We're up and done. Fire. Right. Black cherry whiskey. Cheers, babe. Let's get it going. Cheers. Yeah, cheers. Well, that awning, I tell you what, 10 minutes, everything's done. You won't believe it. You know, you couldn't put a tent up as quick as we set up camp. No, it just goes up nice and quick. We just, you know, like chop bit of wood for the fire. Look at that. Tell you what a night. I'm in my vest. I tell you what, it's so warm, isn't it? Right. Oh, I've had a new pipe. Come with me. Let's go and get me new pipe, right? I ordered it on the internet. Right, brilliant price. Brilliant price. Yeah, look. This is one-handed. I need 3 hands, I do. You know what I mean? Right. Just put that in. Here's my new pipe. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the core of it. This is awesome. Beautiful, right? What's it? Look at that for a screen. Hey? How good's that? Proper mint. That's my tank, which I build my own coils, make my own juice. What's there? Just warming up. How good does that look? You know, it's like rainbow colour. On the back, I don't know what, you know, it's like all colours. I tell you, beautiful. And the screen is just mint. I tell you, proper ace. Ace, love it. Right, I best get back out and have a bit of whiskey, and I shall be drinking it. Oh, that fire, just look at the view I've just had coming out. Literally awesome. Give the dogs a water and everything. Oh, and I'm chilling now. I'm chilling. See you in a bit. Oh, in a minute. Should we have a shout out? Hey, I've got a few shout outs actually. So what I'm going to do, right, I'm going to do 2 now. And then I'll do 2 when I'm cooking tomorrow. Right? Right. So the first shout out, right, is for Kev B. He's been watching us and likes his channel. So that is excellent, Kev B. Nice one, buddy. And the next shout out, right. Now, this guy, right, he's watched all the videos, and last week, right, he was at Blackpool because it was his lady's birthday, and he still managed to watch us, he said. So, Mark Adams, sorted, mate. Good. Hope your lady had a great birthday as well, and you still managed to watch us. Wow, brilliant. Right, I've got another 3 more to do, but we'll do them tomorrow. All right, see you soon. Yeah, I tell you what. Right, what a lovely night. Sam's gone pay. So I've just had some Watsits. I've got a whiskey as well. Sam's gone pay. Dean's been up for about half an hour, 3/4 an hour, having a good chat with him. Brilliant lad. Awesome. Nice one. Thank you, Dean. Kept me company. Brilliant. Yeah, I've just put some more wood on the fire, waiting for Sammy to get back. Lovely night. So warm, I'm still in my vest. Yeah. I tell you, I'll show you the fire. Look at this. Wait a minute. Look at that, really. That is... I've just put some thicker wood on, so it'll take a bit of time, just kick in. But it still flames. Look. Don't forget, campfire, not bonfire. So, cheers everyone. Oh, I tell you what. My new pipe is awesome. I'm buzzing. Brilliant. So warm tonight. You give out a great weekend, you know. Great weekend. So we got the mountain bikes on the back. You can see me awning light and me awning. We're going for a ride tomorrow. I think our Am's coming tomorrow, Aaron and Karen, and they're bringing their bikes. So we'll all go for a ride together. So you'll see our vid. Awesome. Nice one. Right, we'll enjoy it. Yeah. Oh, it's nice to chill out, because I really missed not coming last week. Even though we had a good time at Cannock, You know what I mean? I like chill outside the campy. Have a fire. You know what I mean? You know, and a whiskey and the cooking. You know, when you don't come, you miss it. You know, even though we needed a weekend off because we're, you know, enjoying it too much. I missed it. I'm glad I'm here. I love the dashes. We haven't been the dashes for quite a bit actually. Probably about, I don't know how long, could be 6 weeks. You know, we've been everywhere else. But we're back here. And you can't beat the haberdashers in. I tell you, really awesome place. You know. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Well, we got the dogs off. Yeah, there's Sapphire. Oh, is it all Rambo? Rambo. Where's Saf? Come on, let's find the dogs. Here's Rambo and here's Saf. It was Sapphire. Yeah, look at this. There's Big Beefy in the night light. And there's the fire and there's Sammy. Hello. Hello. Yeah, just giving the dogs a quick run. Look at this here. Hello. Sapphire. Look at that for a beast. Whoa, she's a beast. Are my baby? And it's Rambo. Oh, look at Rambo. Rambo. Oi. Rambo, look at you. Look. Oh, he's a big boy. You won't want to mess with him. Right, there's Sammy at the campsite. Look. Big Beefy. Oh, a beautiful Big Beefy is. In the awning. Sorted. Well, I thought I'd give you a quick little look around at the night. You can't see much apart from the dogs. Let's see if Sammy's awake. Look. Yeah. Yeah. Fire. Whiskey. Yeah, we're there. If the dogs are off. Right, sorted. Look at Big Beefy in the night light. Sorted. Right, see you in a bit. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful fire. And Sammy's there, if you can see it. Well, everywhere's black. There's people over there with fires. That's it. Everywhere's black. But I don't even know the time. 10:30? Possibly 10:30. We've got a lovely fire. Lovely night. There's a massive star over there. And that's it. And we're having a good night. Right. It'll be bedtime in about an hour. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, morning. It's 8:30. Look at the sun. Oh, the sun's shining through where the dogs. I can get up. Sam's asleep. I'm wide awake. Right, oh, look at Rotty's awesome. Right, I better get up. See you in a bit. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Dog food's done. I'm done. Frosties and a hot cup of tea. Yeah. There's the view. Awesome. Look at that. Brilliant, right? I'm going to eat it now outside in the sun. Buzzing. Well, I've just come back to get my phone. I'm just out on the field with my detector. And I've just found a ring. Looks silver. Awesome. Right. Look at that. Don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? There you are. Look at that. Tell you. Can you see it? Right, let's just pop it through. Covered. Now, it's only a little, that is. It is. So it's got to be a woman's, hasn't it? It's got to be a woman's. It has. Now, the only place where it's going to be stamped, really, because it's that all the way round, is the other side of there. Hope it is silver. I don't know. Half look later, clean it up. Well, I'm buzzing. Nice ring. See you in a bit. Awesome. Me days. Yes, I've just looked. And it is silver. It's got a stamp mark on. Awesome. Buzzing. Buzzing. Right. It's a nice little bit of treasure. There's a camper. That's how far I am away. Never right, eh? Right. See you in a bit. Hey, what is it? Awesome. There's Big Bertha. Yeah. Bacon's on. Oatcakes. Bacon, cheese and oatcakes. Our favourite. Aaron and Karen are coming later, and Lorna. We're going to have a barbie. Brill. I tell you. Oh, hey, what is it? It's ace. We love it. We love summer. Brilliant. Yeah, I did well this morning on fat metal detecting, right, you know, on the field. I found an old silver ring that was about, what, 4-5 inches deep. I found about £3 odd in money. One was a new pound coin. That was like 4 inches deep. You know what I mean? Unreal. And loads of 20p's. Tons, about £1.50 in 20p's. A 50p. I've always found one 1p and one 2p, the rest been, you know. So, you know, all spendables, brilliant. But the ring, lovely, lovely. You know what I mean? Second hole that was. Buzzing. So, really happy about that. Oh, look at that bacon, yeah. Brilliant. Oh, it's so hot. Tell you, we had a good night last night. Lovely fire. Had loads of whiskey. Bear Cromwell. A bud. Bud. Brilliant. Love it. Yeah. Oh, here's Sam. Hello, Sam.
Hello.
Never right. So, are you alright, Doc?
Yes, I'm good.
There we are. Brilliant. Right, we'll see you later then. Cooking time. Starving. It's like midday, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, we'll see you soon. Whoa, tell you what. Yummy. So nice. Is that hot? So, let's have a bottle of bud. It's that hot. Amazing. Oh, Sam's is done. Right, shout out time. Right, first shout out. We did 2 yesterday, I've got 3 due today. Lane Williams. He always makes comments, loves the videos, really appreciate it, Lane. Thank you very much, mate. I'm glad that you like the videos. Let's thank off me and Sam. There's Sammy. Right, and now we've got, right, Deb, Phil and Megan. Now they're from Stoke-on-Trent. They adore our videos as well. So, you know, we're so happy with these subscribers, you know, who ask for shout outs. It's awesome. Right, so nice on that. Deb, Phil and Megan. There's your shout out. Hello. And the last one, right, is Mini Cheddars. It's Joe BTW. Now, he's been with me for ages, actually. Oh, we got some planes up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't even think you'll be able to see them. Flying like a V. So anyway, hello, Mini Cheddars, Joe. Nice one, buddy. Keep watching. Right, now look at this. Sammy's is ready. So, if anyone wants a shout out, you know, just leave a comment and we'll give you one with pleasure. So, cheers to all our subscribers on this beautiful camping trip. Nice one. See you in a bit. Reggae. Oh, wow, just look. That's the last one. That's beautiful. Buzzing, looking good. I tell you what, this board is cold. Oh, beautiful. See you in a bit. Oh, hey, what is it? Where are we? At the Haberdashers. Beautiful pub. Awesome. Middle of nowhere. Look at that. Hey. There we go. There's Sammy. And there's your beer on the floor. Oh, thought we'd come have a quick one. Yeah, so, cheers. Oh, it's so warm, so it's red hot, unreal. Just watch your beer so I can sit down now. So, cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sorted.
Yeah.
God. Hey, what is it? It's ace. So I thought, right, let's get the drone out. Have a fly. So, let's go. Look at that. Let's go for the fly.
I can't see it, Chris.
Is it on?
Yeah,
You got it?
I think so.
Wow. Can you see
I'm
it all right?
having problems.
Right, well, just point in that view.
Yeah.
And it'll be coming here now. Let's go low to the ground. See it any better there?
No.
Do you want to go off?
About there, yeah.
How's that now? Let's have a little fly round. Brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
So fast. There it is. I'll race it there. You know, I'm team trying the sport mode. I don't even know get any beyond it. I've never even tried it. And get up to that square. You see it? Oh, as if it stopped over it. He's picked it up. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Bit of speed of there. Rambo! Brilliant, isn't it? Where do you want to go, Sam?
No.
Big boys with the toys. Look at Rambo. Rambo! Has it gone? I bet it's dead hard. Keep up with it, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. Big circle.
They landing it?
Yeah. Their land, have we? Back. You're up already. Wow, the wind. That wind, see? Airport time. Beautiful. Right, see you in a bit. There's Sammy, Luke.
Yeah.
Aaron and Karen and Lorna. Hello, they've come camping with us. They've come for the day. Look at this tent here. Let's have a look.
That's for Lorna.
This is Lorna's dad's tent, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, it's one of them flip opens. You flip it up. Yeah, never right. And we got here Ozzy and Caesar. Yeah. And there's mine. What are you doing there? Get that way. Oh, the dog's come through. Never right. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Right, Barbie's lit. Yeah. Simon, Aaron and Karen have just got back from Aldi down at Newport. Me and Lorna, we've been walking around with the Matt Detective, found another 50p. 2 20s and a 10, and we found a flashing bike like that you hook on the back of your bag. So that's buzzing. So just took the batteries out. When we get home, put some new batteries in, you know, and that's it. Working. Sorted. There's a few people have turned up over there. They have, I tell you, there are little parties going on. We'll have a great fire tonight. There's Caesar and Ozzy. Ozzy, say hello. This is Ozzy, Aaron and Aaron's new dog. There you are. And there's Caesar. And there's mine. Sapphire. Rambo. Brilliant. There's the tent. They got the tent up. And Lorna's tent. That's up and done. And Sam's all brown and red. Yeah. Did it look really Crocs?
Yeah, them fine.
Yeah, that's it. So, sorted. Sorted. We'll see you in a bit. Big birthday. How's that? All them burgers for all of us. Look how tanned and red Sam is. You caught the sun. Aaron, Cara, go pay a load of this. Just look at them. Brilliant. Brilliant. Hello, son. Hello. We're glad you come camping.
Love it.
Love it. Love it we do. Brilliant. Yeah.
Lorna's brought a little tent with you.
Yeah, we've seen that little tent. Good, isn't it? You just throw it up in the air and it opens up.
And then pin it down.
Yeah. That's it. Oh, lovely. Right. See you soon. Burgers are done and I'm red hot. Can you see? That's it. Oh, God, that sun. There we go. Just look at, oh, look at how much you put on. Has you put that much on? Wow, you're going to have to put another big wipe some of that reggae off. You don't put that much reggae on. Reggae, God. Lovely. Right, we'll see you in a minute. Yeah, just look at them. What a lovely pair of baps. Lovely. The chops are on minted lamb. Just look at them. Them burgers was just lovely. Pardon me, lovely burgers. And I've got a bud. Brilliant. But them, look at them, minted lamb.
Water.
Water.
I'm not over 18 yet.
That's it. That's it. And Lorna has just been trying to pick the minted lamb. First one, yeah, I thought chef picks. Is that right?
Actually, yeah, I'm going to go with the smaller one.
Right, you got that burger.
I get 3 burgers.
Right, see you in a bit. Just look at them. Oh, hello. And Sammy, oh yeah, come on, show me these. Look at this, beautiful. And the chops are ready to go on. Brilliant. There we go. Oh, look at this.
Okay.
There you are.
I dropped mine.
There's one.
I've got one now.
And there's 2.
Yeah. Chicken.
Look at that. Look at that. And look what Sam's got. Chicken as well. I'm going to have to run round the field. Wow. Mint. Love it. Oh, guess what? Chicken. Chicken's on the barbie. One of them's what? What are they, Sam?
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili chicken.
And chicken tikka.
And chicken tikka. And that full, right? I can't eat any more, but Sam says I've got to eat one because I wanted them anyway.
I'm a child and I have a
So,
small
but
belly.
everyone else is eating.
Can you do it?
What time is it as well? 7:30. 7:30. We're still barbieing. Awesome. Awesome.
Food's good.
Aaron, that fire is awesome. Yeah. Aaron's just chopped all that wood up and got the fire going. Perfect.
Lovely.
Excellent, son. Thanking you. There's Sam, warming up.
Now for a nice
I don't know where everyone else has gone. Yeah, Aaron on the Copperberg. Cheers, son. Brilliant night. Look at the night. Well, are you ready? Last night, and there was quite a few people who saw them, was UFOs. Honest, there was lights, 2 lights in the sky, jumping about. Sam watched them earlier when she went to the pub, when she sat outside for about 10 minutes. Nathan, he saw them. I saw them, I tell you. But I didn't remember them. But I said to Sam, when she'd just gone bed, Sam, come have a look at these lights. They're like UFOs. And she says, I watched them earlier. So, but we're middle of nowhere, so you never know. Brilliant. Is Caesar running to Aaron now? Yeah, what a beautiful fire. Nice one. Right. See, here Rambo. Here's Lorna and Karen. That's it, sorted. Hello. Brilliant. Right, see you in a bit. What a lovely night. Hello, Sam. I tell you, have you seen the glow? It's been that hot today. It's been amazing. You know what I mean? We had a great, fabulous barbie. Can we duck? There's Sammy. Hello. We've had a fabulous barbie. Loads of food, loads of food. Now we're having a drink, sit by the fire. There's Rambo, because you can see torches over there. Someone walking a dog, never right. Rambo, hush. So, Caesar. Oh, I'm telling you, Rottweilers, never right. So, it's about, what time? 10:30, or something, 11:15. Anyway, great night. So, we'll see you tomorrow. So, good night. Morning. 7:30. God, I had a good sleep. I better wake half an hour. Just put kettle on, make dogs food, put the dogs out. I'm going to eat now, I think, have some Frosties. Oh, I've caught the sun, look. Wow. Tanned. Oh, right, like. Yeah, Sam's still up asleep. Never right, eh? Beautiful morning as well. Awesome. Right, see you in a bit. Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at this. Hey. Big beefy. Yeah. Oh, the sun is amazing. And the dogs are being good. We're all up. Breakfast time. And we've got the sausages on the go now, because Aaron wants sausage bats, Karen wants bacon. I'll have a sausage, Lorna wants bacon, no, sausage, okay. They all want different. But the chef's on the job. Top man, love it. Look how nice everywhere is. Wow, it's I've come in the awning because a bit of wind. Beautiful. Right, see you soon. Sausage bap. Sausage okay, Lorna's got. They've got theirs over there, cooking bacon now for Karen. Aaron's had a couple of baps, sausage. Meant, gotta beat camping. See you soon. You are. Hey, what is it? Awesome. We just took the awning down and we've unwound the shade. How good does Big Bertha look with a shade? Brilliant. Oh yeah, look at that. That's amazing, I tell you. That shade is awesome, tell you. We got these lot in the tent after shade. I put this shade up so we all got it. Sam's doing dishes, just pack it up, see. Plenty of wasps about, you know. Look how I've caught the sun. Tell you. Awesome. Right. Rambo, let me move these boxes and he can come under here. He goes under the camper, he does. Oh, he does. And Caesar, he's under the camper as well. How's it round the back? Let me have a look. Let's have a look where Caesar is. He's there, look. After the shade. We love it. Right, we haven't been on bikes this weekend. We haven't. Oh, well, we will next weekend. Right, see you soon. Wow, what is it? Tell you, right, we're off now. Aaron's just left and Karen and Lorna. Oh my God, it must be about nearly 90, I tell you. So, we're on the field still, we're moving. Oh my God, we're off home. What a great weekend. Awesome, you know, the haberdashers is just mint. Park wherever you want, nice and cheap. Brilliant, awesome, can't fault it. Right, we're off. See you later.